You sit down with your warm cup of coffee every single morning, savoring that familiar aroma and the gentle wake-up call it provides. But what if I told you that this simple morning ritual could become one of the most powerful daily habits for supporting your strength and independence as you age? Right now, millions of adults over 60 are experiencing a silent, very real challenge called sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss, that gradually speeds up with every passing decade. It is one of the main reasons we begin feeling weaker, why climbing stairs takes more effort, and why everyday tasks start feeling heavier than they used to. Here's the part rarely explained in a quick doctor's visit. Your morning coffee can become more than a caffeine boost. It can become a supportive tool in keeping your muscles and joints healthy. By adding certain natural, science-supported ingredients, things you probably already have in your kitchen, you can enhance your coffee in ways that help maintain muscle, reduce stiffness, improve energy, and support healthy aging. And no, we're not talking about synthetic supplements. We're talking about everyday foods and spices backed by research for their potential benefits. Today, we're going to walk through 8 additions you can stir into your coffee. Some will surprise you, and the number one ingredient is especially helpful for anyone dealing with joint discomfort or morning stiffness. If you care about your long-term strength and mobility, this is worth your attention. Let's brew a better life, starting right now. Let's begin with number 8, Ceylon cinnamon. You may think of cinnamon as a dessert spice, but Ceylon cinnamon, often called true cinnamon, has compounds that can help support healthy blood sugar levels. As we age, our bodies can become less responsive to insulin, leading to ups and downs in energy and inflammation. Keeping blood sugar steadier helps your body stay in a state that supports repair rather than stress. Just half a teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon in your coffee can help promote that balance. Its polyphenols work in a way that mimics insulin, helping glucose move into your cells more efficiently. Think of it as gentle support for your metabolism. Just be sure to choose Ceylon cinnamon because the more common cassia type contains higher levels of coumarin, which isn't ideal in large amounts. Number 7 is unsweetened cocoa powder, a delicious way to help support circulation. If your legs feel heavy after walking, or if you fatigue faster than you used to, reduced microcirculation may be part of the reason. Cocoa is rich in flavonols that help stimulate nitric oxide production, which signals your blood vessels to relax and widen. Better circulation means oxygen and nutrients can reach your muscle tissue more effectively. Adding a tablespoon of pure, unsweetened cocoa gives your coffee a comforting mocha flavor while supporting your cardiovascular system and your stamina. Number 6 focuses on brain and body energy, MCT oil, or high-quality coconut oil. As we get older, our cells don't always use glucose for energy as efficiently as they once did, which can lead to brain fog or sluggish mornings. MCTs, or medium-chain triglycerides, are digested differently. They're quickly converted into ketones, a clean energy source your brain and muscles can use immediately. A teaspoon of MCT oil in your coffee can help promote steady energy without spikes and crashes. Many older adults find it helps them stay alert and active throughout the morning. Number 5 is simple but incredibly effective: adding milk or fortified soy milk. Muscle maintenance depends heavily on protein intake, and many seniors start the day with almost none. After an overnight fast, your muscles need amino acids. By adding ultra-filtered milk or a high-protein soy milk to your coffee, you're giving your body what it needs to start repairing and maintaining muscle tissue right away. This is what it means to break the fast, properly supporting your muscles, not just your caffeine craving. Number 4 is collagen peptides. Collagen is a major component of your connective tissues, your tendons, ligaments, and the framework that keeps your joints stable. Natural collagen production decreases with age, leading to stiffness and reduced mobility. Collagen powder dissolves smoothly in hot coffee and provides key amino acids like glycine and proline. Many people notice improved comfort and flexibility after consistent use. It's not a quick fix, but over time, it can help support joint health and maintain activity levels, and staying active is essential for preserving muscle. At number 3, we have whey protein isolate, one of the most effective proteins for older adults. As we age, our muscles become less responsive to smaller amounts of protein. This is known as anabolic resistance. To overcome it, we need high-quality protein, rich in leucine, the amino acid that signals your body to build and preserve muscle. Whey protein has one of the highest leucine contents of any natural food. By blending a scoop of whey into your coffee, you help ensure your muscles get the stimulus they need to stay strong. For many people over 60, this is one of the most impactful additions they can make. Number 2 is ground chia seeds. Whole chia seeds don't mix well in coffee, so grinding them into powder is key. Chia provides plant-based omega-3 seconds and soluble fiber, both of which help support inflammation and digestion. While plant omega-3 seconds are gentler than fish-based ones, they still contribute to overall inflammatory balance, which is vital for preserving muscle and joint comfort. A teaspoon of ground chia gives your coffee a slightly thicker, nutty texture while supporting your body from the inside out. And finally, number 1, turmeric combined with a pinch of black pepper. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound widely studied for its ability to support a healthy inflammatory response. Black pepper dramatically improves curcumin absorption, making the combination far more effective. When mixed into your coffee, especially with a small amount of fat like milk or MCT oil, this duo can help support joint comfort and mobility. And when moving feels easier, you naturally move more, which is one of the best ways to maintain muscle as you age. Now, take a moment and imagine your life 5 years from now. Do you see yourself sitting on the sidelines or moving confidently through your day, lifting grandchildren, staying active, staying independent? The difference often lies in small, consistent choices. You don't need to add all 8 ingredients at once. Start with 1 or 2 and see how your body responds. Maybe begin with collagen for your joints or whey protein for strength. Allow yourself to experiment and listen to your body. These tiny upgrades to your morning routine are investments in your long-term vitality. If you found this helpful, share it with someone who needs support on their health journey. Strength grows faster when we build it together. If you found value in this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to EverWise Living because every week we simplify the science of aging so you can live stronger, longer, and with more confidence than ever before. And before you go, tell me in the comments, which of these ingredients are you going to try first? I read every response, and I love hearing about your journey to better health. Stay strong, stay wise, and enjoy that coffee.